Hi there, this is Galen Martling, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. I have a monochromatic, very simple card today. I'm going to show how I get this very pretty flower jar scene onto one card panel and in monochromatic colors of minty teal colors. And so I have the beautiful stamp kit by Unity called Simply Blessed. It's also the artist's Graciele design. It has this beautiful flower jar and it's huge. It's very big and it's got beautiful sentiments. I'm using one of them for this. Now I'm going to stamp on this minty color cardstock using ink by Pink and Main. It's skyscraper color. It's a surface ink. I have a mini cube and I just place that ink right around that large stamp. It only took one pass with this ink onto this cardstock to get the perfect impression and the amount of ink that I needed for this look, this monochromatic look. And so you see, this is the same color family of minty turquoisey color, and it just goes perfectly together. It's almost like a watermark ink look. And so now I have dies by My Favorite Things. It is Elegant Rectangle Stacks Dynamics. I'm just placing that over temporarily just to make sure I have enough room to die cut and have the flowers and the sentiment all in that same panel before I actually stamp it. So now it all fits, and now I'm going to heat emboss the sentiment on with Wow embossing pad and white embossing powder and a heat tool. And so I do that, I heat set that sentiment on right over or partially over this flower jar. And it really makes that sentiment pop right over that minty cardstock. And so this particular image is going to be sort of offset there. I wanted it to be offset on the right side of that die cut. Now you can use a paper trimmer or scissors to trim out your card front panel. I just had these dies and I wanted to use them for this card. And so now I just tied a piece of cording onto that card base front, and I'm going to add the stamped panel right on top of that card front with foam tape. And so the only other thing I add, just to give it a little softness, a little extra softness, is 3 adhesive pearls right around the sentiment. And there you have it. It's so pretty and so simple and so easy to do. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.